Welcome to another NIST screencast. Today we're going to be talking about Audacity. This program is used by many departments, but in particular English and the World Languages Department to record student audio recordings for being sent off to the International Baccalaureate. There are a couple of things to note though when you move from Audacity on a PC to a Mac. The first is that many times you don't think you're in Audacity because it doesn't open up in the interface you're used to. The main thing is to look in the top left-hand corner and you will see Audacity listed. Then what you need to do is click on File and New. Now you can see how Audacity looks any other time that you've made a recording using this program. So we begin by clicking the record button, and here is an important recording that I'm going to send off to the IB. I click stop and I press play. And here is an important recording that I'm going to send off to the IB. And you have your recording. So now when you go File and Export, if you already have the MP3 encoder set up and installed, you can just name it and save it where you'd like. Most of you, however, will need to do an installation first, and that's what I'm going to follow through with now. Most of you will get a link when you try to do this, and it'll take you to this page. And it asks you, how do I download and install the LAME MP3 encoder? You can skip right down to the bottom and click the LAME downloader page here. Once you get here, you'll be asked to install one of the following. I did the first version and it was installed. Correction, it was downloaded, and now to install it, what you need to do is double click on this icon that says LAME library and then a version for Audacity, and that PKG is a package, and what it'll do is it'll ask you to open it, and then you'll go through the regular procedure that you do to install any add-on or plugin. So once you've done that, you go back to your recording in Audacity and you go File, Export, and a window will appear, and I'm just going to call this Test Recording. And you'll notice that the format is for MP3 files. It's on the desktop. I save it. It's going to give me a window that involves editing the metadata. You can ignore that. Just say OK, and your file is saved. And if I go to the desktop, you'll notice there is my test recording. The key thing is it says .mp3. And if you click on it once, you should notice that it tells you that it's an MP3. Hopefully this has helped to resolve any issues you're having with Audacity. If you need any more help, please talk to a digital learning coach. Thanks for listening.